Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, access to source files, and basic column hygiene. Connect immediately using Get Data, choose Excel, CSV, or SQL and sign in if needed. Once connected, inspect the preview and select only relevant tables. This saves memory and speeds models. Make sure to set correct data types and mark primary keys early. These first actions prevent confusion later and give you a clean foundation for modeling and visual building. Next, focus on transformation and modeling. In Power Query, remove errors, split columns, and use pivot or unpivot to shape tables, then merge queries when you need lookup context. Once loaded, define relationships. One-to-many is common. Check cardinality and set active links so filters flow correctly. After that, create measures with DAX for sums, averages, and growth rates. Calculated columns can help, but use measures for performance. These steps turn raw data into analytics-ready models. Finally, design visuals with purpose. Pick bar charts for comparisons, lines for trends, and maps for location data. Arrange visuals on a grid, align titles, and use slicers for dynamic filtering. Add drill-through and bookmarks to guide exploration. Once the report is solid, publish to Power BI service, configure dataset refresh schedules, and validate visual interactions on the web. If visuals behave oddly, check relationships and measure context first. Usually a wrong relationship or filter direction causes unexpected values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.